Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Nest Hub to Wi-Fi, instant method step by step clearly. To connect your Google Nest Hub to Wi-Fi, begin by placing your device in a location with a strong Wi-Fi signal. Next, plug in your Google Nest Hub and wait for it to power on. Once the screen lights up, you will see a welcome message. Now, grab your smartphone or tablet and ensure that it's connected to the Wi-Fi network you want your Nest Hub to use. Download and install the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Open the Google Home app and sign in with your Google account. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner of the screen. Select Set Up Device. Choose New Device. Select your home or create a new one if prompted. The app will start searching for your Nest Hub. Once it appears, tap on it. A code will be displayed on both the Nest Hub and your smartphone. Ensure they match. If they do, tap Yes on your smartphone to continue. Next, you will be prompted to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Choose your network from the list of available options. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. After entering the password, tap Connect. The app will communicate with your Nest Hub to establish the connection. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation message in the app. Your Google Nest Hub will now indicate that it's connected to your Wi-Fi network. You can now start using your Nest Hub for various smart features and commands. If you encounter any issues, check your Wi-Fi signal strength and ensure your password is correct. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.